So the idea with this one is to take this image and make it look like it's in the book, right? So all this stuff is kind of about mocking up and finding out ways to do that. And in order to do that, we're going to use warp, right? It's a fairly easy thing to do. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change it to Smart Filter just so I can retain its size. I'm going to size this generally so it's the size of the page that I want. So look, this drives me crazy. It's going to be on the video. This drives me crazy. This is too far out.
You mentioned this last.
I know, it really makes me mad. But this is too close. Like, I want to see all of it. Don't you just know what I want to do, Photoshop? Anyway.
Can you not zoom out with a scroll wheel?
No, I don't. It's on the laptop. I don't have a scroll wheel. Anyway, so we're going to do it this way. See, I just want... Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do warp. All right, so here's how warp's going to do it. We haven't really played around with warp all too that much in class, but it allows you to bend things and move things and make things kind of rounded. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it in the spot of the book, and we're going to take the other one and put it on the other side. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to maneuver these handlebars so it fits the shape of the book, right? Yeah, I mean, that just, it's still not exactly, but it's better. So now I'm going to move this, and right, so I'm going to, again, use these handlebars to move it in place. I'm going to grab this one, and we're going to use that to be in line with the book. We're going to take this one, align it in with the book, and then we're going to make sure this falls in line as well. Now I'm going to go a little bit over the pages because the pages are rounded and I have a squared image. Right? So I need to make sure it fits in line with the book now. Right? And now from there, I'm just going to kind of blend it. And you can see I can blend it down. I can work on, let's do, multiply was pretty good. And all I would do is I would just mask out these pieces that I didn't get at the top. One last thing that we can do, so remember this blend if that's here, right? So now let's kind of see what that does. Let's play with adding in the white. Do you see the difference that this adds? You can see the book is now showing more through this, and it looks more believable like it's inside of the book. Right, if we wanted a little bit more of that to show through, we could try this. Right, maybe just a little bit of texture showing through, a little bit of texture inside of the dark. Right, that's just kind of working the edges a little bit. And then you can see actually it took care of some of itself around the edges. All I would do is a little bit down here, and you can see now this looks like it's inside the book, right? That's the really nice thing about using warp to do that, right? Okay.